Alright, so today was 37th day of my systems trading challenge, and the previous video which I had recorded and uploaded, it had no sound because I had not turned my mic on. So let me explain. Like, it markets first opened gap down, alright, and then it took a one side move. Now my theta stop losses, which the theta trades which were taken here, alright, so let me select the scale. It did not hit the stop loss here. I'm in till here. Okay, fine. So I'm in Bank Nifty. So I traded all these three indexes, but major of my trades were in Nifty as well as Finnifty. Bank Nifty only a very small amount of trade. So Nifty opened like 30 points gap down, and it went up 90 points or 0.5%. Okay, and then it came exactly here and then stayed all the way to this place, in this place. Okay, and then final fall was here, and then in the end a small recovery, a very small, like only 20 points recovery was there in the market. Okay, so what happened with my trade is that when it continued to go up here, all the delta trades which were taken in this region, it gave me very good profits, and it compensated for the loss which was temporary loss which was shown by the theta trades. But and with this candle, and over this period, all my delta trades started to close, and then new delta trade was opened at 11 o'clock, that is in this candle. Okay, now this candle stop loss was hit in this move. Okay, and then Nifty actually went down 113 points from here. So the calls which I had shorted here, it actually ended up being worthless, almost worthless over here. Okay, so the most painful period was this one for me. Okay, so let me just show you my this thing, how my PNL behaved. Yeah, so this is the period. Okay, this is the period where there was there was a threat of reversal here. Okay, so the threat of reversal was very real in this case. Okay, and luckily at this point one of my friend had also called me and saying that that Nifty and Bank Nifty and all the three indexes, or even Finnifty, are reversing from their pivot points, or they are taking support from their pivot points. But as usual, I don't care much about these technical analysis. Like, there are, if you want, I can draw 100 lines and then show you the support at each line. Just random 100 lines, and tell you that, okay, fine, and market will reverse from this candle. But it doesn't make any sense for me, especially. Okay, so India's VIX ended up at 4% higher today. All right, so, and I booked a profit of 15,600 rupees, that is 0.75% on my total capital. And so tomorrow is Nifty and Bank Nifty expiry, and yeah, in the previous video I was showing this thing. So I have if you are a long-term investor, right, then what you can do is you just go to this sheet. I'll leave the link of this sheet in the description box. Now you can start searching for your favorite company. So let me what can be the company's name? Suppose HDFC Bank is one of the most known companies of India, also by market cap. So as soon as you will select HDFC Bank, right, this result will come, like how has been the previous performance. Okay, so you can see here that it was having a slope of 16, 14, 8 and 8. So it was kind of slowing down in this region. Okay, and the last 1 year the slope had been 8, 19. So this is 1 year chart in this small cell, and then this is 3 years chart, this is 5 years, 10 years and 15 years. So actually speaking, we are now expecting a reversal in in HDFC Bank, and it has now stayed to, like, in, very good discount to all of these slopes. Now, this is valued quality stocks. Now, this is 3M India. You just have to click on this checkbox, and 3M India, this thing will come. So it's taking a little time. I don't know. All right. So it's like, the 18 slope, that this slope is just a number, okay? It's not like it's a CAGR or something, but if you had seen my previous video on selling December puts or something, it was like about leaps. So this is just the the inclination of that particular line, which is where that particular index is taking support, or particular index or stock. So even this is kind of, this was giving very good return, and for the past 5 years, as you can see in this particular cell, it has been sideways, 3M India. Okay, and there is a very small change of slope in the last 1 year. Okay, now you can just go and check the fundamentals of the stock, like how is the profit is doing, how is the loss, and all are doing. But if you are actually, like, if you are willing to just wait and wait for the correct price or something, you can just visit this stock with this page, and continue to make your investing decisions. All right. So here are the undervalued Nifty 500 growth stocks. Okay, so let me take example of any one of them. That is, suppose, which is my favorite company of all. Yeah, Atul. Okay, so Atul is, I think it's an agri company. Atul Limited. Okay, so yeah, I think it's a polymer, or yeah, it's a chemical company. I'm sorry. Okay, so it's a chemical company, and it has been, like, quite beaten down for past 1 year. I don't know exactly what is the reason. I have not done my research on it, nor I'm giving you investment call or something. It's just about, discussing like how Atul is doing on the charts. So for the past 1 year, you can clearly see that it's in a falling trend. And for, the return of 15 years, like in CAGR terms, has been 37.34% CAGR. So let's not concentrate on this particular tab. All you have to do is go to stable companies and then select any one of them. Okay, suppose say Titan. Whenever you'll select any of the companies from this page, right, these numbers in the slope region will be very close to each other, like 21, 21, 21, 27, and 11. This is having less relevance because these four should be almost equal to each other. Okay, so let me select another company from this page, say SRF. SRF is a bearing company. It's like, it's assisting to the various industries. Now, yeah, so 28, 32, 39, and 37. So you can actually just go ahead and select and see whether it is in line with the 15-year growth, or it is in line with last 10 years growth. Now it is in discount with 10-year growth, but it is in line with 28%. So I'll just show you the charts of SRF Limited. Okay, that's interesting. I'll just be done and dusted with this result part. So after checking the maximum scale, yeah, and let me select the log scale. So log is selected. Now you can actually just select one line, and just try to connect the maximum number of find a clear trend in the chart, and then try to connect the maximum number of low points. So this must be it, right? So it started from 18 and then it ended up in 22. Now it has been consolidating for the past 1.5 year or 2 years. So you can again make a decision like based on your study whether to invest in SRF or not. I'll also show you Titan. Yeah. So this is the maximum chart of Titan. Now what I will do is, again, I will just connect the most possible the midline of this chart. So what is the midline? So this must be the midline, right? So the slope value, sorry, the slope value is actually denoting whether this line is steeper or if this line is flatter. If it is flatter, this value will be close to 0. If it is steep, this value will be higher. Now you can see that this is again below this line. So this is this Titan came in stable companies list. So that is how you can check for all these companies. I'll leave this link in the description box. So you guys are like really free to just come here and check how are the stocks doing. So yeah, tomorrow is Nifty and Bank Nifty expiry. So let's hope that tomorrow's trade will also be profitable. And yeah, it's late now. So until then, just take care and bye bye.